Struggling with bloating, gas, or slow digestion? Well, these Indian superfoods can naturally reset your gut and keep your digestive system running like clockwork. Did you know that your good health impacts not just digestion, but also your immunity, skin, and mental well-being? That's right. If you often experience bloating, acidity, or constipation, don't worry. You are not alone. India has a rich culinary heritage, packed with ingredients that naturally support good health and digestion. And so, in this video, we are diving into the best Indian foods for a healthy gut and digestion. Make sure to stick around until the end, because number 1 is a true game changer. Alright, let's get started, beginning from the top, with number 10. Buttermilk, also called chas. The ultimate probiotic drink. Yes, we are starting with buttermilk, also known as chas. This traditional drink is loaded with probiotics, which help in restoring the good bacteria in your gut. In particular, it aids digestion, prevents bloating, and even cools down the body, perfect for hot summers. (9) Fermented pickles, also known as Achaar. The flavor-packed good booster. Yes, fermented pickles, especially homemade ones, are packed with good bacteria, or probiotics, that improve digestion, as well as good health. However, always opt for the naturally fermented versions, without too much oil, or preservatives. And your gut will thank you. (8) Moong Dal. The easy-to-digest protein. Moong Dal is one of the lightest and easiest lentils to digest. In particular, it is packed with fiber as well as protein, making it gentle on the stomach while keeping you full. And adding a spoonful of ghee makes it even more gut-friendly. (7) Fiber-rich vegetables. Nature's good cleanser. Yes, vegetables like bhindi or okra, lauki or bottle gourd, and palak or spinach are rich in fiber and water content, helping with digestion and preventing constipation. And so, including these regularly in your meals will keep your gut happy and healthy. (6) Khichdi. The ultimate comfort food for digestion. Khichdi, a delicious food made from rice and lentils, is one of the best gut-healing Indian foods. In particular, it is light, easy to digest, and packed with nutrients. And adding a little ghee and cumin or jeera makes it even more beneficial for digestion. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Let's continue. 5. Cumin water, also called Jeera water. The digestive elixir. Yes, if you often suffered from bloating or acidity, then Jeera water is your best friend. And research has found that cumin seeds have powerful properties that stimulate digestive enzymes, reduce gas, and improve nutrient absorption. You can just soak some cumin seeds overnight and drink the water in the morning. 4. Probiotic-rich curd, popularly called Dahi. The natural gut healer. Yes, curd, or dahi, is packed with natural probiotics that support good health. In particular, it helps balance good bacteria, improve digestion, and prevent acidity. You can pair it with rice for an easy and cooling meal. 3. Sprouted legumes. The protein powerhouse for good health. Keep in mind that sprouted mung beans, chana, and lentils are packed with digestive enzymes, as well as fiber. What's more, they are easier to digest than regular lentils, and help in gut cleansing, weight loss, and improving metabolism. 2. Ginger. The digestive superhero. Yes, ginger is one of the best natural remedies for indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Especially, it boosts digestion by increasing the production of digestive enzymes and reduces inflammation in the gut. Even a simple cup of ginger tea after meals can do wonders. And number 1 is ghee, the ultimate gut healing superfood. Yes, finally, there is ghee. This ancient Indian superfood is rich in butyrate, which is a short-chain fatty acid that heals the gut lining, reduces inflammation, and improves digestion. Even a small amount of ghee in your diet can prevent constipation and promote good health. So, don't be afraid of this healthy fat. And there you have it. 10 powerful Indian foods that naturally support good health and digestion. Adding these into your daily meals will keep your stomach happy, reduce bloating, and improve overall well-being. Now, which of these foods do you already eat? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon for more health tips every week. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck. And I will see you soon in the next video.